In this video, I'm showing you the process of going from this image to this one. Hi, this is Per and welcome to my channel. I'm going to work on the images I've exported from Sketchup. However, these steps are the same if you have any other image or any other rendering. I've created selections of each part before and I've got these cutouts as PNG files in a folder. By the way, I have a video of how exactly I make selections and how I turn them into PNGs. You can find the link on the top right corner of the video. For this illustration, I'm gonna use these materials, which most of them are simple textures. Okay, let's begin. I'm starting from the bigger parts, like the background behind the windows. So the PNG file of the selection comes first, and then on top of that comes the material I want to add. And then I'm making a clipping mask on that layer. After that, for adjusting the colors of the background, I'm adding a hue and saturation layer. And again, I'm creating a clipping mask. For the window of the ceiling, I'm doing these exact steps again. I want the floor to look more bright and lively, and also I want some grainy texture on the floor. So I'm using this texture with soft light blending mode. And for adding more contrast to the floor, I'm using levels. And all of these layers, I'm always applying clipping mask. And the ceiling has a dull repetitive texture, so I'm using a concrete texture to cover the original texture. And this wall has to be more desaturated, and for that I need a hue and saturation layer. I want the window frames to be brighter and more grayish, so I'm just adding an exposure layer. For the couches, I need a fabric texture. And I'm creating 3 copies with 3 different scalings. And I'm using soft light as their blending modes. The lamps are easy. I want the green lamps to be yellow, so I'm just using a hue and saturation layer. And now I'm done editing with PNGs and selections. Above all the layers, I'm adding a hue and saturation layer again to adjust the green colors of the whole image. The shadows file comes next. And for adding a bit of sharpness around the edges, I'm using this file I exported from Sketchup. And on a layer mask with a brush, I'm removing some lines I don't want. And well, of course, some human figures to add an aesthetic vibe to this scene. And at this point, I always add a fabric or paper texture to cover the whole image. And at the end, I'm creating a flatten layer by using Ctrl-Shift-Alt-E, and I'm using a camera raw filter to boost the textures and colors. And it works like magic every time. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and hit subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Have a great day.